rumors, being rumors, it might happen ukuthi sibone umfana uDeon van Rooyen eyodlala nomfowabo laphana sibone le combination yayikhona le kuStelis where kuzoba khona uBasadini kwa left kuMamelodi Sundowns kube khona uDeon van Rooyen kwa right kuMamelodi Sundowns. Asibingelele utata ogida sokhulu umlandeli omkhulu weMamelodi Sundowns. Asikwemukele tata lishonile.
Hey, lishonile tata, ngiyabonga kakhulu lapho Sim.
Asibonge tata. Lishonile ilanga tata. Uyamthatha yini uDeon van Rooyen? Before nje singene kulaka Monapulesa le uyamthatha uDeon van Rooyen ukuthi nizoforma noma nifotshe le combination abake bayidlala beno Pasadini laphana madoda. Ezibhlungu tata izo lezokuthi uLokhunja ukhuluma noJaden Adams akasekho, rest in peace. Because I can imagine if bekuzoba khona uJaden Adams center kube khona uBasadini kwa left kube khona uDeon van Rooyen kwa right, but that's me being me tata. Akukho kusasho eSundowns ukuthi iyamthatha uDeon van Rooyen asazi. Kodwa ke kuthini ukukholwa koDeon van Rooyen before singene kuMonapulesa ukuthi Thomas Wangayi?
Hayi no man, bonge lapho tata, ngibonge tata man, sibonge nalapho kwintokazi leyo eqeda kuphuma ibhola iyabonakalisa ukuthi iyalandela futhi iyalithanda. Okay tata. Hey, yabona indaba kaDeon ithuse umzi kakhulu wena tata masibona uWadu emrelease umfana. Ndasibuza ukuthi ngoba manje ndiyabheka maninzi ama right back esewakhuphile lapha yana kwezimnyama. Kodwa ke ucoach ke uyawazi akwenzayo. So ke injalo tata uyabona urelease ngesikhathi esi right manje ndiyabheka nami. Ngoba nathi naku senze sehlelo lishwa ke likaMutawu lokuthi alimale man. So nathi sasibuza ukuthi ubani umuntu ongazama ukuthi mhlambi agoqoze phana, masithemba ukuthi ke nazo izicount zayo iSundowns ziyakubona lokho nathi esikubonayo njengabathandi bebhola njengabasupport bebhola wena tata.
Yeah, asethebe tata ukuthi kuzokwenzeka ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi Sundowns kule season igqemeka ingozi after ingozi njengoba sibone kuhamba uLokhunja umfana laphana uJaden Adams nesimo adlule ngasemhlabeni, of which leyo i-change abebengayilindele especially judging for i-age yakhe uLokhunja uJaden Adams kanjalo ne-peak abesekade ibambele kuMamelodi Sundowns kuyoba nzima ukuthi bamreplace. Kodwa ke iMamelodi Sundowns eziqembu elikhulu eliyilo bayazama. Siphinde futhi sobuka laphana ukuthi isizini iyaqala sebeluza i-African champion khuma laphana ngoMudawu. Isimo esinzima lesi kuMamelodi Sundowns, especially for nayo ucoach Cardoso ngoba akulula ukuthi ungaluza ama key players wakho ngalendlela, of which they've been tested even ngoJaden Adams. We don't know ke ukuthi on Sunday njengoba bezobe ngasekho futhi uMdawu how are they gonna play, especially khona laphana ke emuva. Sazi ukuthi ke ungathini mhlawumbe kubalandeli beSundowns ngongahle mhlawumbe kulindeleke njengoba beluze ama key players wabo ethu, ngoba kuyazwakala ukuthi injury kaMudawu it can take time ukuthi ahile.
Hey tata izawuthatha ixesha elide kakhulu injury kaMudawu, futhi ke emntwini wayebukele vele umdlalo ndayibona mina kwapha ngoku ephuma naye ndayibona ukuthi ya le ndoda lena ithintekile kakhulu, indoda nokwenyamezelayo leya, kodwa ndayibona ukuthi ngendlela nangona ebona indlela ayihindlishe ngayo uSompempe mati, kodwa ke igqibo zikaSompempe akhonto esawuyenza thina, but ke wayithola and kodwa ixesha elide sawumbona next year kahle kahle ngeke simbonele isizwe kulonyaka lona, sawumbona ngo2027 nakhona mase iya ekupheleni isizini uba ngaba ube right. Asazi ibhola linet so ndizinokuthi nje mina hayi no siyamasandawana masamkele injury into ekhona vele ebholeni, ikusasa lebhola vele liku injury yakho. Sawukhumbula abadlali abaninzi abathe baluza ikusasa labo ngako ukulimala boDilon Shepherd nabanye ukuya phambili tata. So ke nalapho akulimalanga only iSundowns kuphela, kulimele neSouth Africa ngoba phela siyamazi ukuthi uMudawu umdlali webafana and futhi ungasowuye yedwa kunomdlali nayo iTelpin nayo kuyavakala ukuthi limele ngapha yana, plus nalona nalo ndimlibala nje igama lakhe naye lo mdlali sinaye beceda kulimala koLorlando Pirates. Abadlali bebafana aba, so no coach ozongena kubafana ngoku athathe intambo uzobhekana nalenkinga esibhekene nayo. So ndizama ukuthi njena kunzima kakhulu, ilifu lithanda kubamnyama kulena isizini tata nase-South Africa nje kuphela.
Ya tata kunjalo but ke njengoba sazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns iyithimu engakaze idisappoint ekuthenini ikwazi ukuthi iphinde recruit abadlali ukuthi kube khona i-continuation ethimini where they always go for equality as much as la beluza 2 key players at the same time, but one might also say ukuthi there are even more players mawungabheka laphana komgwena nabo of which they are still nursing ama-injury, but we're hoping ukuthi Sundowns will manage to come back with a bang like they always. Tata Mhlekazi, sikhuluma ngodaba kaMonapole Saleng, xa iMonapole Saleng manje uthi Patrick Tito Masanganyi. Patrick Tito Masanganyi kuyabukeka ukuthi umdlali oyinikelayo umdlali Orlando Pirates, but kukhona lawo ma-elements phakathi kwakhe no-coach, phakathi kwakhe nabalandeli uyabona ukuthi kukhona ungazwani kahle. Le ndaba kaPatrick Tito Masanganyi uyibona kanjani tata? Ubona ukuthi mhlambe thina siyabalandeli noma abalandeli bebhola mhlambe ngabe siyagagamela lolu daba noma mhlambe ikhona lento ekhona ngoPatrick Tito Masanganyi mhlambe abantu kufanele ba-understand noma ikhona into ehlukile ngaye ngokwe-personality yakhe?
Okay tata, indaba kaTito mane yona izawuba nzima tata ukuthi ikakhulukazi kuma-supporters weBhakaniya abanye ke beqembu noba liliphi bangayi-understand. Uyabona uTito yi-player e-right kakhulu wena tata, ikakhulukazi phaa kwiBhakaniya u-right kakhulu uTito. Nethi njena kuba khona phaa naphaa apho uyibona ukuthi naye njengomdlali kukhona izinqumathi azenze ubone ukuthi hey mhlambi bekezenziswe. Yazi ama-player athanda ukuthi mhlambi akhawuleze ahluthuke egemini, yiyo into ibabethe kakhulu. uTito wena nibona ukuthi unalo mistake leyo yena ukuthi umuntu igame mayebona ukuthi angathi ucindezelekile akakwazi ukudlala the way edlala ngakhona, akubonakalise lokho ngokwezinqumo azenzayo, and then noSompempe abe nezinqumo zakhe azawuzenza ibe ngathi umuntu mhlawumbe odlalisa kakubi abanye abadlali or umuntu ongamelani nepressure yomdlalo ngelo xesha. Nanso into ezawenza ukuthi singaboni ngokufana. So mina ukubona kwami uTito ubeke sase-right kakhulu lapha kwiBhakaniya ukuthi akaqhubeke manje nocoach amnikeze ithuba nabalandeli bamnikeze ithuba, nangona naye kuba khona phaa naphaa apho ebetheka khona njengaplayer yonke-ke tata.
Ya lona ithuba ngicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu ophilayo uyalideserve ithuba, nanokuthi umuntu simnike ukuthi sizame umu-understanda ukuthi uwumuntu okanjani. Kodwa-ke kuthiwe-ke tata iy'nkunzi ey'mbili ayihlalelani esibayeni esisodwa. Sibonile laphana abanye bazothi ubekade engafuni ukwenza i-handshake ngesikhathi ekhishwa emdlalweni wodlala ne-Chippa, of which i-argument yokuthi he was starting to play good football at the time when he also even created the goal for uLungu, then that's where bemdonsa bemkhipha ngaphandle. Kuthini ukuphala kwakho tata mhlawumbe nge-character yokuthi mhlawumbe ukhombise ukuthi ngempela awufuni ukukhishwa? Is it a good character for a player or maybe on the business side or career wise, also to our fans, because our fans, remember, they are supporting Orlando Pirates, they don't support uLokunja uMshishi kuMamelodi Sundowns. If uMshishi bamkhipha nalo ongenayo if bafaka mhlambe uBennett Mkwena, still ama-fans Sundowns, they are still supporting Mamelodi Sundowns. They are not there for uLokunja uMshishi. Ngizama ukwenza i-scenario efana leyo ukuthi mhlambe na ama-player afuna ku-understand ukuthi abalandeli kuzobacasula ukuthi wena ungajabuleli ukungena komunye kanti bona they are cheering for everyone etimini. Uthini ukuphala kwakho ngalokho?
Okay tata, yabona yiyo lonto ndiyitsho ndithi tata, yabona indaba yakhe i-ambulance yaseThembisa naye izinqumo ayazithathe njengomdlali yizo ezizawenza ukuthi ke angavisiseki apha kwiBhakaniya, ngoba kaloku nyhani etimini kaloku sidlala as a team, singabadlali sonke. So omnye nomnye umdlali onikeza ithuba, noba ngaba wena kufana ukuthi wena tata ungafakwa is a substitute mhlambi ku-second half, uphinde futhi ukhutshwe ngoba ufakwe as a substitute, nawe uphinde ukhutshwe futhi ungekadlali isikhathi singakanani, ungasigqibanga isikhathi segame, lo ofakwayo funeke naye umbonakalise ukuthi naye uzowenza the same thing esiyenzayo lapha. So yena izinqumo zakhe ezinye naye azithathayo njengomdlali indlela ngathi ibuthelelisi nyana ukuthi apha kuma supporters. Yiyo ke leyo kodwa engalunganga ngoba masingake sithathe sibheke napha phambilini or simamele sive masingaba siva nama legend wethu njengabo Patrick Mayo. Patrick Mayo babengabebalisa indlela abamukeleka ngayo ku Kaizer Chiefs, bamukelwa ngayo abanye abadlali. Ayizange ibenhle, zange ithandeke ngoba kaloku ufumana xa bebalisa izitori zakhona babe bamukelwa ngendlela ukuthi bona baspecial ngani besuka ezindaweni ezinjani, mhlawumbe basuka emakhaya, basuka kuma Eastern Cape beze eGoli, and mabefika eGoli bathola abantu abafana nabo Tsikitsiki, abantu abazixelela ukuthi ibhola ngeyethu. So na ngendlela babemdlalisa ngayo naye mawungake uve istory sakhe uMayo sasingekho right, but ngoba naye wabona ukuthi usethimini and uyasebenza and end of the month sonke siyajabula, naye wabaxelela futhi wabenzela into abayibonayo nabo ukuthi no madoda manje ngaba niphasela neso nindenzela neso ninganikeza amabhola kodwa ni expect ukuthi nikore lokho kuze kubonakale ukuthi lokho enikwenzayo akho right. So naye nizama ukuthi uMaswanganye lokho akwenzayo akho right for abalandeli na for i-team.
Ya tata khona kunjalo and yabona mawukhuluma ungikhumbuza ikhathi zakudala mawukhuluma ngendaba ka Patrick Mayo, one of the very highly talented and dedicated footballer in South Africa, who could play anywhere grounding, being converted when the team needs him in defense is there, also the striker is there. Big up ngamhlonipha kakhulu Patrick Mayo, a legend of the game. Tata ya indaba ka Patrick Tito yona inzima tata, and lama point washoyo sometimes kuningi nathi ofanele sikubheke singabuka iside elilodwa ngempela ngoba even nakhona ama dressing room we never know. Sabona nezitori lapha ngesikhathi kuhamba uLodge where there was this thing ukuthi wayengazwani nomunye wabadlali ku Orlando Pirates. So those kind of stories yenzeka nazo gcina sezenza sengathi mhlawumbe elinye iplayer bona ngathi kunama favorite there. But that being said, Tata, we are hopeful because we love Patrick Tito Maswanganye. I think he has proven Orlando Pirates ukuthi he is a player that deserves to play for a big institution like Orlando Pirates. So as Coach Owadu, we are hoping ukuthi maybe lento lesilokhu siyibona ngoba uke washo namasono wathi and lento ayishoyo nami yangijulisa ukuthi why lento ithanda ukuvela noma iPirates kwenza kanjani ukuthi iveze le documentary where yamnikeza ilokhunja iside elifana nalila ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi nama fans into enza ukuthi agcine ngathi mhlawumbe ayamzonda ahamba no Coach Owadu ile ukuthi uCoach Owadu uyi-elder kuyena bese gcina kuba sengathi mhlawumbe sometimes ke ububi uzowela kuTito ngoba yena umdlali noma uyena omncane. Kodwa ke ngiyacabanga tata ukuthi mhlawumbe le ndaba bahamba bayilungise. And before nguyeke tata uyamdinga uDion noma uyamyeka uya ku Chiefs ngoba nangu Masono uthi Van Rooyen can play well at Chiefs.
Okay. Uyabona indaba kaDion yona tata iyadida kancane ngoba kaloku ngokusetha nje lo muntu uhlele ekhaya uyi-free agent uyayibona. So ke siyazi ukuthi ke masithetha ngabafana basenatural abama-specialist lapha kuma-free agent uyayibona. So ke kuzawudependa ukuthi ke izikawuthi zigijime kangakanani tata uyofika lapha yakuye. Mna ngokunokwami ndimlandeli bendimdinga mna qha ke kuzawudependa ukuthi bafika emva kwesikhathi esingakanani ngoba khona ama-specialist wama-free agent.
Oh yeah. No mhlekazi kuyevakala mhlekazi ngicabanga ukuthi ke ingcingo zona ziyangena kuDion since ephumile kodwa ke kuba buhlungu ukuthi uDion Van Rooyen angadlaleli lamaqembu amathathu engizowabala okungaba iMamelodi Sundowns, iKaizer Chiefs okanye iStellenbosch. I definitely believe ukuthi if it doesn't go in one of those teams kuyofana nokuthi induku ilahle phansi if ungenze singambona mhlawumbe segijima emathimini afana no Mazulu, taking nothing away from amaZulu, but ke maybe if kuyobe kuyiyona ndlela afisa ukuhamba ngayo and I once made a decision in life yami where I go off from the famous mhlawumbe companies to go and maybe stay in a small company and grow myself. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe naye uqonda ngokusobala ukuthi uphuma lapha kule contract Orlando Pirates, definitely maybe there's something that is at hand noma engahle ivele. Asazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates yona izokwenza njani. Ngabe uMathuludi wena awumdingi ngoba phela wena onamandla la ku-financial market. Ukhona uMathuludi lapha kuPolokwane. Sikhumbuzane futhi data ukuthi uMathuludi is a national team player. Yabona?
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
uma ke sizokhipha uKhriso Mdawu ongahla angabibikho for more than 9 months, which means even iLokhunja Mamelodi Sundowns as maybe the half national team of iLokhunja South Africa, they need a player like uMathuludi.
Yes, tata yabona uma uthetha ngalo ma-player lo uDion noMathuludi ama-player vele lawo futhi ke unyanisile uma uthi tata thina kusezandleni zethu. I-Sundowns uma ingaba ibafuna ingabawina bobabili, uyayibona. Kodwa ke tata into ngokwaphe seyikhona ipha kubadlali, uyayibona ukuthi bona bathatha eziphi izigqibo ngekusasa labo nangekamva labo. Ilapho nje tata ngoba futhi ke nomzekelo olula siyawubona nangu yenzeka ngoNdlovu. uNdlovu sivile kunamahemhem kunamahilihili ukuthi hayi ungaya kuphi uye kuphi, kodwa egqibeni umfana uzithathele yena i-decision. So nabo ke laba badlali bobabili uMathuludi naye uDion kusezandleni zabo tata.
Ya kusezandleni zabo tata. Asethemba ukuthi umfana uDion van Rooyen sizombona engena laphana in one of the big clubs ezodlala ngoba iyethusa lento ukuthi umfana simbonile eya eSpain if I'm not mistaken, but then kuyaba nakhu useyashiya kuOrlando Pirates. But nginalento yokuthi because Orlando Pirates, they've been very, very strategic in terms of announcing players. Are they pushing away Dion van Rooyen to announce maybe a major signing? Let's wait and see that. Also, Mamelodi Sundowns, because Bathule man, Umdawu, ulimele obvious. Definitely, we're gonna see a top player coming to replace Umdawu in that position. Definitely. Tatu kita so cool asibonge tata, asibonge mhlekazi wami, ngihlala kuyintokozo ukuba nawe. Sethemba ukuthi uzothokozela umdlalo wakusasa, kanjalo nomdlalo wangesonto. Sabusiziba nama-prediction akho, kusasa iy'koza kusasa nezangesonto, bese sikudedela mhlekazi omhle.
Okay Sima, hayi no kuhle tata no man, ikona ngoqinisekileyo uDion uzawuthola i-team right ngoba awukwazi kusuka ku-Orlando Pirates ukhetha ukuya down, usuka ku-Orlando Pirates uya phezulu. Yiyo into endisho ngayo ukuthi yena vele uzaba khona kule top 3 team, angeke aye ngaphandle kwawo, uzawuba njalo ngoba kunjalo tata. Okay ke kusasa noko nethemba elikhulu hayi ibhakani yalinikeza lizawuwina tata ngoba lento imnandi ngendlela eziningi ukuthi first round second round, noba ngabe ingadlala i-draw kusasa yona izabe iwinile ngalo ndlela leyo ngoba kuzaphinde kuphindwe futhi kudlalwe. So neya Sunday nayo injalo tata. Njengoba iseyitshile iPrincess wathi hayi uyayibona i-Sundowns ku-final, ukuhle ke maye accepta lokho, nami ngiyibona i-Sundowns ku-final nalo ibhakani injalo nje.
Hayi tata kita sokhulu dibane kusasa abafowethu after igame ye-Orlando Pirates, also after igame ama-Sundowns on Sunday. But sisho sithi akube kuhle abafowethu sibone umdlalo omnandi kusasa noma kule weekend amathima amakhulu ayadlala. Ey'kamazitha-ke zisathe ukuphumula i-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba iGolden Arrows yayabakhipha laphana ku-MTN 8. Asibonge tata ngesikhathi